All right, hello everybody. We've got an unboxing. This time it is from Hoka. It is the Stinson One7 in stellar gray and eggshell. What's nice about that is you can kind of pair it with anything. Per usual, I like to mention what I would wear them with. Some baggy cargos would be cool with these, I think. Also, I've seen a lot of people kind of pair them with like a pair of shorts, a chunky sock in the summer. There's a ways to mess with the proportions so that the fullness of the shoe does not make your body look super top heavy. You know, you got your body up top and then big old shoes like a cartoon on the bottom. So it has a lot of the features that you would come to expect from a Hoka. Plenty of tread here on the bottom for proper outdoor use. I want to highlight this upper. It's a little bit different. You know, we carry a lot of the things that are in like a little bit more of the technical suedes, have the Gore-Tex liner, et cetera, et cetera. I would say this leans on the lighter side if we're talking the materials on the upper. So it has this kind of like translucent mesh upper, and then this silver texture going through the top of it is really similar to like a tape seam on like a very like utility-based rain jacket. Has this heel cup here, so it's gonna keep its structure really well. So it's not gonna have like a flimsy upper, you know what I mean? But then in between that, you have this kind of texture here, which kind of functions like, I don't wanna say like a sock, but it's gonna like grip around your ankle and have a really like secure kind of fitted form around your ankle. I really love the lacing system. We've had this in a few of Hoka's in the past. Primarily there was like a Satisfy collab. I forget, I think it may have been a Bondi. But I like this type of lacing system here. Really like the silhouette on these though. So Stinson One7, stellar gray eggshell. These come out on the 12th of December. Be in touch if you need anything else.